Welcome to the top picks. The best touchless car wash is probably one of the most convenient and effective ways to keep your vehicle looking pristine without the risk of scratching its paintwork, utilizing high-pressure water jets and specialized cleaning solutions to lift away dirt, grime, and road salt, ensuring a thorough clean that traditional methods might miss, all while preserving the delicate finish of your car's exterior. Number 5. Chemical Guy's Honeydew Snow Foam Car Wash Soap, 64 ounces. Introducing a revolutionary car wash soap designed for maximum foam. It creates thick, clinging suds that lift dirt and grime effortlessly. Whether you prefer a foam cannon, pressure washer, or the traditional 2-bucket method, this soap adapts to your cleaning style for a superior wash. Our pH-balanced formula is safe for all exterior surfaces, including paint, glass, and wheels. It won't strip your wax or sealant, ensuring a pristine finish. Enjoy the refreshing honeydew scent that makes every wash a pleasure. Achieve professional quality results with a delightful fragrance. A little goes a long way. This concentrated formula requires only a small amount to produce abundant foam, making it economical for many washes. Perfect for cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, and more. It's safe for coated, wrapped, or clear brass surfaces, providing a brilliant shine every time. What we like. This soap creates incredibly thick, clinging suds that lift dirt away for a scratch-free finish. It's pH balanced and safe on all exterior surfaces, including paint, glass, and plastics. If you're looking for a versatile wash solution that works with both foam cannons and traditional bucket methods, this is a great choice. What people say. The car wash is touchless, which means no brushes will scratch your car's paint. It uses high-pressure water jets to clean your vehicle effectively. The automatic system makes the car wash process quick and convenient. Number 4. Chemical Guy's 10-piece Arsenal Builder Car Wash Kit. Introducing the ultimate car wash solution. This comprehensive 10-piece set provides everything you need for an easy and effective vehicle clean. Achieve a scratch-free wash without a pressure washer. Our foam gun attaches to any standard garden hose, creating thick, clinging suds for superior cleaning. This kit features top-tier cleaning solutions. You'll get our Honeydew Snow Foam, Signature Series Glass Cleaner, and Silk Shine for a complete vehicle refresh. Beyond the chemicals, it includes essential tools. A bucket, wash mitt, drying towel, and applicators are provided for every step of the detailing process. Our pH-balanced formulas and soft microfiber tools are safe for all exterior surfaces. Enjoy a brilliant shine without harsh residue on paint, glass, or wheels. Looking for a great gift? This kit turns routine washes into an enjoyable detailing experience, perfect for car lovers of any skill level. What we like. This is a complete 10-piece kit designed for easy and effective washing, even without a pressure washer. It includes a foam gun that works with a standard garden hose, plus premium chemicals and detailing tools. If you're a beginner or looking for an all-in-one solution to wash, shine, and refresh your vehicle, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The touchless car wash system effectively removes dirt and grime without any physical contact, preventing scratches and swirl marks on the paint. Its advanced sensor technology ensures precise coverage, reaching all areas of the vehicle for a thorough clean. The automated process is quick and efficient, allowing for a complete wash in just a few minutes. Number 3. Chemical Guy's Citrus Wash and Gloss Car Wash Soap. Experience a powerful clean with our citrus-based foam soap. It creates thick suds that lift away dirt and grime, enhancing your vehicle's shine for a safe and effective wash. This car wash soap works perfectly with foam cannons, hose blasters, or traditional bucket washes. Enjoy thick suds and versatility for any detailing need. Gloss-boosting polymers improve paint clarity and depth, leaving your vehicle looking brighter and more reflective. It enhances shine without stripping existing wax or sealants. Our gentle, pH-balanced formula is safe on paint, clear coats, glass, plastic, and more. Enjoy a scratch-free car wash experience every time. Natural cleaners cut through road grime, brake dust, and grease. Enjoy an effective wash with a fresh, invigorating citrus scent. Join enthusiasts and detailers worldwide who trust this premium foaming soap. Turn any wash into a complete detailing experience for a showroom shine at home. What we like. This soap uses a citrus-based formula to create powerful suds that lift dirt and grime while enhancing shine. Its gloss-boosting polymers improve paint clarity for a brighter, more reflective finish. If you want a wash that not only cleans effectively but also leaves your car looking exceptionally shiny, this is the one to consider. What people say. The Touchless Car Wash system effectively removes dirt and grime without physical contact, preventing scratches. Its advanced sensor technology ensures precise coverage, reaching all areas of the vehicle for a thorough clean. The automated process is quick and efficient, saving time compared to traditional car washes. Number 2. Chemical Guy's HydroSuds Ceramic Car Wash Soap. Introducing a revolutionary car wash soap designed to deliver a brilliant shine. Experience the power of ceramic in every wash. This soap creates an abundant, luxurious foam that lifts dirt and grime with ease. It works perfectly with your foam cannon or traditional bucket wash. Infused with ceramic, it not only cleans but also adds a protective layer. Enjoy enhanced gloss and a slicker finish after every use. Ideal for all your vehicles, from cars and trucks to motorcycles and RVs, get a professional level clean on any surface. Make your washing experience more enjoyable with its delightful berry fragrance. It leaves your vehicle smelling as good as it looks. Achieve a spot-free, streak-free finish that truly stands out. It's the ultimate choice for car enthusiasts who demand the best. What we like. This soap is infused with ceramic to add shine and protection to your vehicle's finish. It creates high-foaming suds and works with foam cannons, guns, or bucket washes. If you're looking to add a layer of ceramic protection and a brilliant shine with every wash, this is an excellent option. What people say. The Touchless Car Wash system effectively cleans vehicles without physical contact, preventing scratches and swirl marks. Its advanced sensor technology ensures accurate positioning and coverage, reaching all areas of the car for a thorough wash. The automated process is quick and efficient, providing a high-quality clean in a minimal amount of time. Number 1. Chemical Guy's HydroSuds Ceramic Shine Car Wash Soap. Introducing a revolutionary car wash soap designed to deliver an unparalleled ceramic shine. It creates a rich, luxurious foam that gently lifts dirt and grime. Experience the power of ceramic technology that enhances gloss and protection with every wash. This formula works brilliantly with foam cannons, foam guns, or traditional bucket washes. Its pH-neutral formula is safe for all your vehicles, including cars, trucks, motorcycles, and RVs. You can trust it to clean without stripping existing waxes or sealants. Enjoy the delightful berry scent that makes washing your vehicle a more pleasant experience. It leaves behind a fresh aroma and a stunning finish. Achieve maximum suds for superior cleaning and lubrication. This high-foaming soap ensures a thorough yet gentle clean, leaving your ride looking immaculate. Get ready for a showroom finish that lasts. This soap not only cleans but also enhances the depth of shine and the hydrophobic properties of your vehicle's surface. What we like. This is the larger 64-ounce size of the ceramic-infused wash soap, offering great value. It produces high-foaming suds and works with various washing methods, adding shine and protection. If you frequently wash your vehicle and want the benefits of ceramic enhancement in a cost-effective, larger quantity, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The Touchless Car Wash system effectively cleans the vehicle without any physical contact, preventing scratches and swirl marks. Its advanced sensor technology ensures precise coverage, reaching all areas of the car for a thorough wash. The automated process is quick and efficient, providing a convenient car cleaning solution. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.